Punjab government has in fact come under heavy criticism, not just from the opposition this time, but from within their own. After this over an appointment, two appointments which have been made by the Punjab government recently in a cabinet decision giving jobs to the sons of two Congress MLAs. In fact, the cabinet on Friday cleared the appointments of sons of MLA Fateh Jang Singh Bajwa in the police force and son of legislator Rakesh Pandey in the revenue department as a special case under compassionate grounds. This even at least 5 ministers during that cabinet meet opposed this decision, but it was finally the Punjab Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh, who had his way, taking a final call on these appointments during that cabinet meeting. The Chief Minister in fact defended his decision, saying that the grandfathers of these two men had laid down their lives for the country, and this was a recognition of their sacrifices. The opposition was quick to slam the state government, seeking their dismissal.
मैं समझदा है डेमोक्रेसी की धज्जियां उड़ाई जा रही हैं। गवर्नर साहब, राष्ट्रपति साहब इसकी रिपोर्ट मंगाएं, सुमोटो एक्शन लें और सरकार को डिसमिस करें कि सोनिया गांधी की कांग्रेस 2G कोल जी ये लूट कर पहले तो सुना जाता था कि कितने पैसे आए गए हैं, ये तो चर्चा का विषय बनता था, अब तो दिन दहाड़े लूट बज रही है।
तो आपको लगता है सर ये कवर अप किया जा रहा है, सीएम
लूट
विधायकों को खुश मनाने की
करप्शन, ये करप्शन है।
Breaking news coming in, and the Punjab government's media advisor has in fact put out a certain tweet in that they have said there's no question of rescinding the decision. Punjab government, it's a small token of gratitude which has been given by the Punjab government, and it's shameful that some people are giving it a political color. Remember, this comes in even as the state Congress chief, the Punjab state Congress chief Sunil Jakhar had in fact said that he urges the chief minister to relook the decision and rescind appointments in greater public interest. Let me go across to my colleague Gurpreet for more on this. Gurpreet, this seems to be this recent reply which has come in through the Punjab media advisor, seems to be a direct reply to the state Congress chief Sunil Jakhar, who had in fact called for rescinding these appointments.
Well, yes, of course, not only that reply to the Congress chief, we have seen that a lot of MLAs in Punjab, specifically that MLA from Fatehgarh Sahib, Kuljit Singh Nagra, he has come out and he has also put a tweet and his video bite on the tweet by saying that the government should call cabinet once again and withdraw this decision because this decision is not in favor of the people. At this point of time, this promotes nepotism in the Congress, and he has put a lot of question mark over the decision which had been taken by the Chief Minister to appoint two sons of the MLA in the state. So a lot of questions are being raised within the Congress, and that's why the media advisor has already tweeted and made it very clear that there is no chance to cancel appointment of those who have been appointed by the Chief Minister. So a lot of resentment within the Congress, and we know that the infighting within the Congress was already going on, and there is a new issue for escalating infighting which is happening within the Congress.
That's right. In fact, Gurpreet will be tracking this story very closely with you. Thank you so much for joining us with that.